All right, welcome back. So we're doing another code.org challenge activity, and this one happens to be the draw a dice. So we can see we have a dice over here, and if we look at the directions real quick, we do have a point, so we draw a single point on the screen. Well, we have the points here, and if we run this, looks like we have them, but they're not very big, right? So what we're going to do is control how big the point is using stroke weight. So what we're going to do is, like with anything with coding, we're going to put the stroke weight in here, and then it will change all the things after it. Okay, so if we wanted, what stroke weight basically is drawing the thickness of the line or the point. So if we did this for rectangle too, it would change the thickness a little bit there too. But we're just going to change this for the point. So we're going to drag stroke weight out, and we want to put it above the points, because what happens here is we're going to pick what stroke weight we want, and then it will apply that to these points after this. So if we run this right now, we're just going to have to kind of tinker with this a little bit, and you can see that doesn't look quite dark enough for us, but let's go ahead and make this 10. Let's make it 5 and just see what happens first. So we run it again. Not bad. Not quite where we want it though. So let's make this size 10. There we go. That looks much more like a dice. All right. Now with anything, with coding, it's all in sequencing, right? So be careful where you put the stroke weight here. So we just want it to affect the points. If you end up putting it up here, and we have the stroke weight 10, watch what happens. So we have the 3, points for the dice, but if we put the stroke weight above there, it changes that and makes the line, obviously, for the dice not what we're looking for. So we want to put that below the rectangle, but in front of the points. So now when we run it, that's how it should be. All right. Hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.